Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on the REALME Watch S5 using your own image as the watch face. Let's get started. First, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the REALME Link application. Once paired, open the REALME Link app on your phone. On the home page, you should see your REALME Watch S5. Tap on it, then tap on Watch Face Gallery. Look for the watch face category called Album Watch Face and tap on it. Here you can customize your watch face by changing the clock position and color. Tap on the background image, and you have the option to use camera or choose from album. Camera lets you take a new picture, while choose from album opens your phone's albums to pick an existing photo. I'll use the second option, so I'll go to my downloads folder and select a picture. Now crop the image since the whole picture won't fit on the watch face. Zoom in or out and move around to pick the part you like. Tap Done, customize it further if you want, then tap Sync to device to apply your watch face. Here we have it. That's how it looks after being applied. That's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. See you in the next one.